In today's fast-paced digital world, managing data effectively is more important than ever. No matter what kind of business you're in, you've got to work with data, whether that's to figure out what your customers want, to share useful insights with them, or just to make sense of all the data you've got. But using traditional data integration tools for handling all this data can be really cumbersome and time-consuming. Imagine dealing with large amounts of data. It's a big headache to integrate all the data sources together and needs people with special technical skills in coding. Plus, you need some pretty robust infrastructure for doing all this, which can cost a lot of money and time, causing significant loss for your business. That's why we made SMARTPiPE. With SMARTPiPE, you don't need to be a technical expert to get your data in order. Our system is like a smart assistant. It's built to help you set up everything quickly and without any hassle. And if you really want to keep things easy, we have a special service where our team does all the work for you. They'll get everything set up and keep it running smoothly, so you can relax and focus on your business, not on the data. So, what are we waiting for? Let's see how we can easily set up a data pipeline in minutes using SMARTPiPE. Once inside the platform, the first thing you will see is the pipeline dashboard, which is a centralized hub to manage your data pipelines easily. Start by naming your pipeline. Let us name it Data Dealing Magic. The first thing you will see upon entering the pipeline is the source stage. Here, you will be able to ingest multiple datasets in just a few seconds. You can ingest data from a wide range of data sources provided to you here. You can always make a new connection or reuse the ones you have made previously. Now select the dataset to enter the configuration stage. The primary problem that one faces with most datasets is the junk rows present in the data. Here you can easily drop those junk rows and manage the header using SMARTPiPE. Unpivoting the dataset is also one of the critical needs for some companies. Here, you can easily do it by giving a few inputs in the interface. And if you are facing problems with having unnecessary data in your dataset, or if you want to standardize the formats of your data, this stage is for you. This will let you standardize your data and filter the data according to your needs. You can add a total of 10 datasets like this to your pipeline. One major problem for companies, while dealing with the data, is combining multiple datasets. In the join stage, you can build relationships between datasets with a simple rule builder. This allows you to get consolidated data of all the datasets that you have added to your pipeline. In case you want to add any new data or columns to your dataset, in this transformation stage, you can use the Excel-like formulas and simple drag-and-drop functions to create new columns and complete your dataset. You will also be able to perform logical validations of your data and make necessary changes to your dataset. And now, you enter an auto-cleaning zone. If you are struggling with having outliers and errors in your data, this stage will help you by removing them by providing several corrective actions. You can also customize the correction and select from the various options presented to you. And with a single click, you can eliminate all your data outliers and make your data error-free. Sometimes, adding a new column and cleaning your data is not always enough to make your dataset perfect. You will also need to perform validations on your existing columns to increase the quality of your data. Here in this stage, you can easily create custom validation rules tailored to your business with our straightforward rule builder, modifying your dataset in simplest of the ways and making data validation a breeze. After doing all these, one last thing that is stopping your data from becoming perfect is having duplicates in it. In this stage, you can identify all the duplicates that can be present in your data based on a particular column, and you can remove all the duplicates present in your data. You can also choose how to handle these duplicates to create a single source of truth. Thus, your duplicates are now removed, and your data is ready to go into the destination. This stage is the same as the source stage. Here, you will be able to send your processed data to multiple destinations. You can select your destination from the various options that you have here. We can proceed by selecting a pre-configured connection. We will select an empty table in the destination and proceed to the mapping stage. Here you can map your source columns to the destination columns and select how you want to send the data to your destination. And in the routing stage, you will be able to filter the data that you want to send to your destination. Similar to the sources stage, you will be able to configure a total of 10 destinations in this stage. In this final stage, you can simply create a schedule in which your data pipeline has to run. You can create a schedule or use a pre-configured one to set the frequency you want your pipeline to run. You can select the start and end times of your pipeline run and also configure the email alerts for successful and failed runs. You can monitor the pipeline from this Run Details tab and get the detailed summary, error, and change logs for your pipelines. This is how you can effortlessly and efficiently set up a data pipeline using SMARTPiPE. For more details, visit smartpipe.cloud.